Quality. Get it right the first time. Standardize your process in clear work instructions. Build quality into every step of your process. With VKS, you can quickly create work instructions and standardize your best practices. You can implement CTQ or CTF validations and capture SPC data as the process is taking place, rather than after the fact. Flag live quality alerts so your quality team can support your processes exactly when required. Avoid those subjective discussions by showing real examples through photos and videos. Report non-conformances and use the data collected in VKS to drive your KPIs and to target your next continuous improvement project. VKS, more than just work instructions.